right there is fine. The court reporter is the most important person here. She needs to hear what happened, so go ahead. Thank you.
Shoemaker, Hanna Hazel, Gilley's mom. You three helped plan, carry out, and murder my grandson, Ruger, who was 6 months old, laying in the bed between his mom and dad, Frankie Rhoden, and Hazel Gilley, let alone your granddaughter's mother.
How greedy of a grandmother are you? How greedy. You killed your granddaughter's mother. You're evil. You're evil. You are the spawn of Satan. And the Satan is Billy Wagner. You are the evilest mother to help plan, carry out, and take the lives of 3 other mothers. My daughter was only 20, and you want 30 years of your life behind bars? 30? She was 20! 20! She never even got to buy alcohol. She got 6 months of her life with her kid. 6 months. And Hanna May Rhoden, the love of your life, Jake Wagner. The love of your life. Your daughter's mother. She got 4 days. Kylie Rhoden got 4 days. Do you know what kind of questions I have to answer? First, it was bad people came in. Next, they seen your faces on the news. So guess what? I had to explain more. Because they're not kids, little kids no more. They're not 6 months old. They're not 4 days old. Ruger's soon to be 10. 10 years he's been without a daddy to teach him how to fish, to teach him how to hunt, to do all the man things. He has to depend on uncles, cousins. Because of you, Jake. Greedy Jake Wagner. You. I want you to suffer. This is what I want. And I've told all of BCI. I want your mother to live and you boys to die as well as your dad. I want you to die so your mom feels the heartache of what it's like to bury a child. It's a heartache that never goes away. I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined innocent children's lives. I hope you die. I pray every day you die. I pray your grandchildren and your children never want anything to do with you. And I hope they never do. I hope your daughter hates you with a passion and as much heart as I hate you, Jake Wagner. You shook my hand and acted as if you was my fucking friend. After you shot my daughter 5 times in the head. 5 times? Man, why her son laid between them. And Hanna May, she's holding her little girl. And you shot her. How cold and evil. You are the spawn of Satan. I'll say it again. Spawns of Satan. You and your brother. And you, evilness, created them. And Miss Rita, I feel so sorry for you because I know you're ashamed to have such a daughter and grandsons that evil. Because you was the first to feel the guilt and say you was sorry, and it was your Christian duty to tell the truth. So I have not very many words for you. My heart breaks for you to have such an evil, control, and spawns of Satan.
Thank you, Mr. Maker. Who's next?
Actually, Your Honor, Ms. Canepa has 2 written statements that they requested she read, and then I do have one more live statement
Thank
from
you.
Lisa Weisel.
Okay. Who's the first statement from Ms. Canepa?
It's Bobby Jolene, Your Honor, the individual who first discovered the victims in this case. This whole experience has been absolutely devastating. I just want to make it crystal clear that I hate you and I will never forgive you for what you've done. You're a coward. I hope the rest of your life is absolutely absolutely miserable. You don't deserve to be alive. It makes me sick that you're allowed to breathe the same air that I breathe. You have destroyed my life and the lives of so many others. There's a special place in hell for people like you. You want to act like you're a Christian, God-fearing man, and that cannot be further from the truth, for God hates people like you. You are the devil. All of this is because of you and your mother on a power trip, fueled by the need to control that poor child's life. And now your daughter has lost everyone. She no longer has her mother, Hanna Rhoden. You've taken everything from that child that you were supposed to protect and provide for. Your daughter will always remember you as a monster and a coward, nothing more, nothing less. All I really want to know is why. Why did they all have to die? Why did you think you had the right to take 8 lives? I'll never understand it all. It feels like a bad dream that I'll never wake from. Congratulations to you, Jake. You have made your daughter an orphan and put yourself in prison for the rest of your miserable existence.
That's the end of the first one.
That's the end of the first one, Your Honor. The next one.
And
I'm sorry.
as you well know, the court reporter's ability to keep up with words is not as quick as we can talk.
I know you were limiting us on time, so.
Go ahead.
The next one is from Rita Newcomb, who is the stepmother of Gary Rhoden. I would like you to know that you killed more than 8 people. Kenny, Gary's father, literally grieved himself to death over the murder of his son and the others in the family. Gary was a good-hearted person, and he would give you the shirt off his back. He never missed his father's birthday or mine. He made it to every holiday. I truly feel that you did much more, so much more, these crimes than you're admitting to. I ask for justice for Gary and the others in this family. Sorry.
Thank you very much. Last. What's your name, please?
I am Lisa Wagner. I am the niece of Chris and Kenneth and Nathan.
Thank you.
I'm going to be speaking on behalf of the Rhoden family today. My family feels very strongly that some people have lost sight of what has brought us to this courthouse over and over again, year after year. Let me quickly remind you of the magnitude, the severity of this tragedy. This monstrous crime is the largest mass murder in Ohio. 8 people were brutally murdered, 2 young mothers and 1 young father. And I'm going to drop the face, please, I do. It is nearing the 9-year anniversary, and I assure you, no one wants justice more than our family. However, we do not agree with making hasty decisions to get it over with. We want all responsible parties to be shown no mercy, just like our family was shown no mercy. We can only pray that actions that take place in this courtroom today will not dismantle the justice that still has not been served. The Wagner family are master manipulators. It will tell of what the lies to fit their narrative. They are a true danger to society, and this crime is nothing to be taken lightly or play jeopardy with. And on behalf of me, and what I have to say, Jake, we are no longer a family. You've said that over and over. We will always be family. No, we will not. I will no longer ever think of you after today. When those doors close behind you, you will be an afterthought to the rest of our family.